Man, what's good, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from carpettools.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to capture leads while you sleep. So the more leads you have in your arsenal that you can do follow-up email marketing to, the easier your life is going to be in your service-based business. And when people know, like, and trust you, it's that much easier to sell them not only your services, but you can follow up with them and offer them products as well. And that's what's really going to enable you to scale in life. So right now I'm on Lead Pages. I'm a huge fan of Lead Pages. It's super affordable, super easy to use, and there's always the argument of Lead Pages versus ClickFunnels. Look, I use them both. Lead Pages is a heck of a lot easier to navigate. So let's get right into here. We want to do a simple opt-in or lead capture page. So we're going to see what we have. Here's lead capture down here. Let's see what they have to offer us. So we got simple opt-in, opt-in. Basically, just scroll through these and see which one really jumps out at you. Get old Connor out of the way there, blocking us. There we go. I'm a big fan of doing video ones, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to find a real simple one we can kind of navigate through and knock out real quick. So here's all the different templates they have to offer. Let's get in here. Let's pick one of these and start building this thing out. You know, let's try this one here. And I am straight up freestyling this, just so you know. Alright, yeah, cool. Let's use this template. Let's see what we can get into. And this will work for any service-based business you're into. So let's act like I'm in the carpet business, but let's act like we're plumbers. Alright, so first things first, I want to simplify this as much as possible. So I'm going to get rid of this, get rid of this. Oh. I'm going to get rid of that section. I want this to be a ridiculously simple opt-in page. So when my clients come by, they see exactly what I have to offer. So let's do this. I don't know if that's how you spell it, but we're going to roll with it. Now you want to build credibility with your clients here. So we got before you hire a plumber. Alright, that's kind of sketchy, cutting edge enough to spark someone's interest. So you got, right before you hire a plumber, find out the top 5 ways you'll get ripped off by this shady business model. Now, let's see here. We got this guy in the back here. He doesn't look like a plumber to me. So let's see what we can get into here. Got nested layout, maybe it's in there. So let's go into Hero. Section Style. Alright, yeah, we want to get rid of this cat, because you know he ain't working on any pipes. We could do something simple like a house. I know that doesn't make a ton of sense for this one here, but that's what we'll use. It's a little bit better than this guy. So we got boom, booms. We definitely gotta change the color here so this pops. So we're gonna go right here. Just for kicks, let's see how that pops. That does not pop at all. And all we're doing is just tweaking the colors here to make sure it's going to jump out at our potential clients when they stop by the page. Actually, let's try a red one. Red's usually aggressive and gets everybody's attention. I'm going to go bold. Go a little bit bigger. There we go. I want to get rid of this as well. Like I said, I like my opt-ins to be as simple as possible. Let's get out of this here too. Man, I got way too much going on this page. But as you can see, you could build out full-on one-page websites. Have you seen some of our real estate sites we have? This is exactly what we do, and we just continue to build and build and scroll. So down here, let's go Joe Handyman. You can put your address down there. Good to go. So now let's get into this. So before you hire a plumber, find out the top 5 ways you'll get ripped off by this shady business model. Actually, you know what we're going to do? We're going to get rid of that. Alright, boom. Now, we're going to go back to widgets. We're going to get... I'm going to grab the form here. Boom. All right, so here we have ridiculously basic site. You got someone's attention. You're going to grab their detailed report immediately. Now we're going to go and get right into this here. So now we're on it. We got the name of our form right there. Where do you want the form data to go? So you could do everything from just have them email it directly to you. You could put that in there. If you have integration service, you could add things like MailChimp. That's what I use. There's 1,000 other ones you can add, but to just keep things simple here for right now, we'll just do notify me. Put your email address in there. We're going to go to next. What info do you want from the visitors? Now you could do just email. That's all I do. But if you wanted, you can go ahead and add their first name, their phone number, all sorts of details you can capture from them. What I have learned over time, though, people have no problem giving up their email address, and then it's your duty to follow up with them and really capture their attention and earn their business. So we're going to go to next. Now, actions. What you want to do next is create a secondary lead page, which I will show you how to do in a follow-up video, but you could do a default lead thank you page where you capture their email address and it just goes, hey, thank you so much for opting in, your report's on his way. The best thing to do, though, is create, now these are obviously other lead pages I have, but to create a secondary lead page with a simple video, because I think that's easiest, or a report on it, and it'll just send that directly to them when they opt in, and give them the information they want. And then you could send them emails. I like to do it daily, but you could do it weekly, just sending them info, and they're going to say, hey, Joe Handyman is ridiculously reliable. He's giving me all this service that's going to save me money. Now I definitely want to hire him, and I want to buy his products. And that's how it works. It's like, you know, you don't need to overcomplicate things. Just super simple way to capture someone's contact information, then just continue following up with them. And that's how you build a simple business. Now, let's say you build all this out, you hit publish right there in the upper corner. That's my lead page address. You would have your own, obviously. And that's it. Then you would promote that link. I'll show you also how to get a nice domain name and then market it with masking, so you don't have this crazy URL right here. You'd have, you know, Joe Handyman today, or Joe Handyman instant services, whatever the case may be. Catchy name, redirect it to that, and you're good to go. Now, with lead pages, let's get back over here. If you want to try this out, like I said, I use it for the vast majority of all my businesses. You can click over here. I got a link below the video, by the way, that you can use. Try lead pages free for 14 days. You would just start your free trial in there. And this actually went right over to my page, you know, right into my account. So that's all whatever. But yeah, start your free trial and then put it to the test. Now, if you have problems building out websites and you're not comfortable with it, we actually offer a service over here right now for $4.97. We have about 4 different templates you could choose from, and we could build you out one-page websites, super simple to just start capturing leads, or websites that'll offer your services with a quick video and things like that. You know, easy to market, easy to get up and running. But if you struggle with that type of stuff, we can help you out. Like I said, the links are below the video. Go ahead and check those out. Reach out to us if you need any help building them. I truly appreciate you tuning in, and I will catch you on the next video.